Hello, and welcome to the second tutorial for HTML. I'm going to link to the first one if you haven't watched that yet. It's going to be right there. And this one's going to be over adding a border around pictures, adding a second heading, adding an ID and what that is, as well as a class. Alright, I hope you enjoy. Okay. Let's just jump right into it. So we have our project from the first tutorial. I'll show it right here. So like I said in the intro video, we're going to add a second heading, as well as we are going to add an ID and a class, which will let us change the color and things of that nature. And then we're going to add a background, or excuse me, a border to the image. And give me just 1 second here. Sorry about that, I had to close my curtain. Okay, so first things first. Let's open, we can get rid of this. Let's open this in Notepad++, which I have a link for in the first tutorial. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just add a second heading, so it's pretty simple. Either you can copy paste or you can just write it out. And I'm actually going to do this one, which is just heading 1. My cat's playing right now. So, same size as the first one. We'll add another paragraph too. And then we can add heading 2, which heading 2, the size of the font is going to be a little smaller. And we'll add a paragraph. Okay, so if we load this up, actually let's do this. It's taking sweet time. Come on. Sorry, my computer's being a little slow. There we go. There you go. Second heading here. Notice how it has the same coloration as this one. And then this is the second heading. Heading 2, see it's a little smaller and it's not the same color. So we can change that real quick. Just go to, we'll add heading 2 here, and we can make this one, let's make it purple. Alright, if we refresh it, there you go, it's purple. Now, let's see, let's do the, I'll show you what IDs are for. And then we can do classes after that, and then I'll show you border. So, an ID So yeah, you see how both of these are the same, all three of them actually. So let's say we wanted to change one to a different color than the rest. We can add an ID to it, and we'll just change the ID to, let's see what color we don't have yet. We'll change it to blue. So blue, we'll save that, and we'll go to our CSS, and we'll go and we'll add blue here. This is the name of the ID that we just created, and this little pound sign is what symbolizes it in CSS as a ID. So we'll make it blue. So color blue. You save it, and it should change it to blue. There you go. Pretty cool. You can do this with paragraphs, headings, pretty much images, pretty much anything. We'll actually use it for the image. I'll show you that. But next we're going to do class. So classes are if you want to do more than one item, like style more than one item, the same thing. So we'll just do class orange. And we also want to do this one too. So we'll do class orange, save it, and then we'll go here. Now classes have a little period in front of it instead of the pound sign. So save both, refresh, and there they're orange. So it's a good way to style for like a simple site like this. Cute little guinea pigs. Now the final thing is we're going to add a border. So right after the quote here, after the image, we're just going to add another ID, and we're going to call it border. Now you can call these anything you want. I'm calling them by what I'm going to make them, just to simplify it. So border, and then we're going to add it after the h2 tag. And it was ID, so I do pound sign, do border, and then we're going to create the border itself. We'll do 5 pixels, so that's how large the border will be. It's going to be solid. You can do solid, or you can do like dotted, and then we'll make the border red so it'll show up. So this border should be 5 pixels wide. It should be a solid border, not dotted, and it should be red. So if we refresh, wait. Okay, we gotta save this too. So if we refresh, there you go. So, yeah, you can use this to put like an image and text underneath, and it'll be kind of together. Let's try and do one other thing. Let's see if there's anything else I can think of. I can show you what dotted is, if I can remember here. Hang on 1 second. Let me see. It's okay, so it's literally just dotted. So I'll make it dotted, save it. Okay, see, it looks kind of silly for the border of a picture, but you get the idea. You can also do double. Looks pretty good. We'll keep that actually, double. So this is it. This is a quick little tutorial. I'll keep these coming. I hope to do some other things, probably with JavaScript, which is another language you use. It's a programming language you use for doing different things like making pictures appear and disappear in text, and I'll be getting to that pretty soon. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please comment down below, or email me, or talk to me on Facebook. Plenty of ways to contact me. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. Goodbye.